Get ready for an unforgettable day exploring Lisbon's hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path sites. We'll start our journey by walking along the picturesque shoreline, taking in stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean and the iconic Ponte 25 de Abril Bridge. Next, we'll hop on a ride up the elevator de Gloria, a century-old funicular that takes us up to the charming Barro Alto neighborhood. From there, we'll explore the colorful streets and vibrant atmosphere, stopping at local cafes and shops along the way. After a quick break for lunch, we'll head to the historic district of Alfama, where we'll wander through winding alleys and staircases, discovering hidden gems and local treasures. We'll take in the stunning views from Miraduro de Santa Lucia and Miraduro das Portas do Sol, two of the city's most beautiful viewpoints. Our next stop will be the Graca neighborhood, where we'll explore the Jardim de Cerca de Graca, a peaceful garden oasis with stunning views of the Tagus River. Then, we'll head to the LX factory, a creative hub that was once an industrial complex, and check out the various shops, galleries, and restaurants. Finally, we'll end our day with a ride up to the Miraduro de Nossa Senhora do Monte, a breathtaking viewpoint that offers panoramic views of the entire city. With memories to last a lifetime, we'll wrap up our day in Lisbon feeling inspired and energized by the city's unique charm and hidden treasures.